I'm here today at Flowmaster, and with me I have a 1967 Shelby GT500. Now I'm going to show you how to install Flowmaster 17282 kit. Now let's head back to the shop, let's get it done. Okay, now that we're back at the Flowmaster Performance Center, I went ahead and laid this system out on the floor, just to give you a better idea what this system entails. It comes with two Super 44 mufflers. The system also comes with 2.5-inch aluminized Mandrel bent piping. It comes with a full hardware kit and a full detailed instructions to make the installation a lot easier. Now go ahead and raise your vehicle and start the removal of your stock exhaust system. Now we got our Mustang in the air. As you can see, it came to us with no exhaust system, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into the installation. Keep in mind, if your car came with factory duals, it'll utilize all the factory mounting spots. But if it came with single exhaust, you're going to need to remove that rear seat. Now, for those of you with that single exhaust system, once you've got your seat removed, we're going to go ahead and start the layout and installation of the brackets. Just forward the rear axle on the floor pan is where we're going to want to drill our holes. Your first holes you want to drill is 8 inches from the side of the frame to the center, 1.5 inches down from the seam to the center of the first hole. Your second hole measure over 9 3/8 from the frame to the center, 2 3/8 down from the seam. You may have to repeat that same process on the other side. Fortunately for us, they were already done. Now we're going to go ahead and mount our exhaust hanger. Now you've got both of your mounting brackets in place, we're going to go ahead and install these rubber hangers that come with the kit. Now we're going to go ahead and move forward to the rear of the vehicle and install those rear frame hangers. There are 4 holes on either side of the gas tank. You want to mount the bracket on the first hole, located about here. Go ahead and put your bolt through the back side. Put your bracket in position. Put your washer, your lock washer, and your nut on. Repeat that same process on the other side. Now you got your rear frame hangers installed. Let's go ahead and start piecing this system together. Because of the different variations between headers and manifold, Flowmaster has accommodated adapter pipes to make the fabrication process a lot easier. On this particular fabrication part, we decided to clean up the connection and use Flowmaster's 15925 ball flange kit. This is a 3-inch in, 2.5 out. Now I'm going to show you a little bit about the fabrication part. Once you've wrapped up the fabrication part of this system, go back through and level out your mufflers and your H-pipe and check for clearances around the rear axle, shocks, and gas tank. Flowmaster does recommend you weld all of your slit fittings. Also, keep in mind, Flowmaster offers 2 different systems for this Mustang. One without the factory cutouts and one with the factory cutouts in the valance. Now I'm going to lower this thing down. I'm going to show you what your Mustang needs to sound like.